After all, finally we are talk about sound of double L words. Double L words is pronounced as le. Okay? Pronounced as le. Now we are practicing with some example. BALL ball, HALL hall, TALL tall, WALL wall, MALL mall, HILL hill, BILL bill, PILL pill, KILL kill, WELL well, BELL bell, TELL tell, BULL bull, PULL pull, FULL full. 1 minute. One more sound, and with this sound we are finished all sounds. Okay? Sound of double S words. Sound of double S words. The sound of double S words is pronounced as se. Okay? Se sadak wala se. Good. Now we are practicing with some words. ASS, ass, MASS, mass, CLASS, class, GLASS, glass, DRESS, 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 PRESS, press, CHESS, chess, HISS, hiss, KISS, kiss, MISS, miss, BOSS, boss, LOSS, loss, MOSS, mouse, TOSS, toss, BCROSS, cross. In this way, we are complete our all sounds. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.